So this right here is the blender actuator, and it basically controls the direction that the air flows through the system. Like if you want it to come down towards your feet or up at your head or also towards the windshield. That's what this controls, and it's tapping because it's binding up on the inside. So with the key in the on position, you'll be able to hear it tap. Yeah, so from right here, it's a lot louder, and I know it's coming specifically from here. Because even when I put my hand on it while it's tapping, I can feel the vibration on the inside. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that. Should fix our issue. And what you're gonna need to replace it is a T20, have it in 1/4 inch, and also a 1/4 inch ratchet. First, we're gonna go ahead and pull this red tab out. It should click. You'll be able to take the connector out. Now you just unscrew the 2 bolts that holds it in. Oh my God. See, I have 2 bolts that came out of there. As you've seen, I dropped one of them. So you want to be careful back here in this tight spot. I'm gonna check back there to see if I can find it, but it's a very tight fit. So when pulling the bolts out, just be careful. You don't want it falling into the abyss and you won't be able to find the bolt. So I'm gonna look for it right now. Hopefully I can find it. So I did notice that this gear didn't line up properly. So what I did was I plugged it back in and I changed the setting in order to make this rotate so the gear would basically align with how the new one. So now I'm gonna put the new one in and turn it on and make sure there's no clicking, which this should fix the problem for sure. Remember to be careful with this back screw. It's a tight fit back there. Get it in a few turns. All right, so we got those screws in. I'm gonna plug everything back up. Make sure you hear that click. Also push this basically security tab in. And now we're gonna just pop the glove box back on, and they go on these 2 bars right here. So the bottom just clips in, and then you wanna pinch the outside of the glove box. And now we're gonna just put the glove box back on. These hooks right here hook onto this at the bottom. Got those on, and then you pinch the outsides inward. And just verify it closes smoothly. All right, so now with the key on, no more tapping sound. Now we can ride in peace. If this video was helpful for you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also leave a comment and share it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.